Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to memorize Chinese character 求 and 灭. If you have seen my previous videos, you probably know that this is 人, means people or person in English, right? What if we put a person in a place from which he or she cannot escape? That means this person is a prisoner. So, its pronunciation in Chinese is 囚. 囚 prisoner. 囚 prisoner. This is fire, right? Means fire in Chinese is 火. Let's put a lid directly on it. Guess what? The fire will be put out at once. Its pronunciation is 灭, means extinguish or put out. 囚 人 囚 means prisoner. 灭 this is 火 灭 extinguish, put out. If you found this video interesting, please help me share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.